In this video, I'm going to tell you a trick which gets millions of views on every video. I have found a most viral and easy niche on which you will get millions of views and millions of subscribers only after 10-20 videos. Don't believe it? Look at this example channel. It has only 21 videos, but it have 112k subscribers. And the videos of this channel has received more than 23 million views so far, which means on an average, more than 1 million views per video. And the audience is totally crazy about it, meaning there is a lot of potential in this niche and you can grow easily on it. This channel is working on animal facts, especially dog facts. Let's see one example.
These 5 dog breeds will even confront a grizzly bear to save you. Number 1 is the pride of Georgia, the Caucasian Shepherd. It will not hesitate to grab even a bear when it comes to protect its...
No, I will teach you how to make such videos, so make sure that you watch this video till the end. No, let's go to the process. We will create some such content with the help of invideo.ai. This website works just like ChatGPT, but in video format in which you just have to write the prompt, and this website will create the complete video and give it to you in just a few minutes. This website will handle everything, which includes your script, voiceover, and subtitles. Just create an account and go to in the typing box, then write what type of video you want. I ask him to generate top 5 most dangerous dogs. Then arrange the setting, the narrator, subtitles, and the video duration. Next, click the Generate button. Wait till the process complete. Then download the video. But if you want to make videos without watermarks which look more professional, you should buy the premium plan of this website, which will cost only $20, or you can edit it by using video editor software like CapCut. Finally, click on the export button to download the video. Congratulations, you are created the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.